Young man. Tell you about Jamaicans in always on fashionably late. Oh, there you push. No manners. Anyways, Mr. Alkaline or PH Table or whatever you want name. Me say I try fight against the 6, you know. Why?
You see from your bad mind, you forget that fat shot.
What? Nonsense. Why would you accuse the 6 of being bad mind? Why would you say such a thing?
Everything under the pussy, them no stop watch.
What? And that Snapchat make for virgin.
For me Instagram come and up on Snapchat.
Same different. What wrong with you, young lad?
Auntie buy some memories we can't do.
Oh, for real?
To the Father, we are pray up to the sky.
So you good, me artist?
You know it not easy, but God know we are trying.
Wow, me tell you the truth, me never know that. Wow, I don't know. I mean, but how we manage to go through all of this and still find time and energy to crash? How you do it?
Feel, see how the pray when mama pray. Mama pray. Pussy you fi dead, all when the mother sing a prayer.
Masicka, finish a documentary on drug trafficking and leave Alkaline alone, please. Gosh. Bullies.
Oh my style.
Bullies,
How I tell you say me a Christian?
Alkaline, behave. Gosh. Alright, so you remember the Alkaline. I'm gonna try get squash on the line. See if we can make it work it out. Yeah, hello? Squash?
6.
Yeah, me have Alkaline right here. You have anything you want to say to him?
Squidward, you're informer. May I tell you that straight? Suck your man a youth. You're a bad man, you know about G-man badness. Eh? Where you talk about my beer? That boy man, anytime I see my bust a face man, God kill me.
Oh my god, Alkaline squash just shit me. What you gonna do?
Them man no trick, them cars no arm, them are sleeveless.
So you're not afraid they'll rub you out?
The boy if you kill me, leave me mother breed it.
So alright, so that's all folks. If you want more, if you don't like this, just subscribe and like the video. If you get more, check out other video them. More videos to come. Me that try but I'll continue. Next time.